In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a chart of accounts in Xero. This process is essential for those who are setting up their financial records and want to ensure everything is organized and accurate right from the start. Let's walk through each step together to make this a seamless experience. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Xero website. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to log into your Xero account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard, which serves as your central hub for all things accounting. Look towards the top menu bar and find the tab labeled Accounting. Give it a click. This will lead you to a range of accounting options tailored to meet your business needs. Among these options, you'll see Chart of Accounts. Go ahead and click on it. This section is crucial for managing your company's accounts, giving you an overview and the ability to organize your financial data effectively. Now, you'll notice an Import option within the Chart of Accounts section. This is where we can bring in your existing accounts data. Clicking Import will prompt Xero to open a new window, guiding you through the import process. In this new window, you'll see a Browse button. Clicking on this will open up your computer's File Explorer, allowing you to navigate through your files. At this point, you should have your Chart of Accounts file ready, ideally in a CSV format that Xero can read. Find the location of your file within your directories and select it. With your file selected and highlighted, you can now click Open to queue it for import. Going back to the Xero import window, you'll see your file name displayed, assuring you that the correct file is ready to be uploaded. When you're confident that everything looks good, it's time to hit the Import button once more. And just like that, you're done. Your Chart of Accounts file is now on its way into Xero, being processed and integrated into your existing setup. Xero will notify you once the import is successful, but it's always a great idea to double-check everything afterward to ensure all details are properly aligned and accurately represented. With this simple yet powerful process, you can make sure that your financial data is well organized and ready for action within Xero. It's crucial to maintain accuracy in your records management, and importing your Chart of Accounts is a significant step in doing so. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, a well-maintained accounting system is the backbone of a successful business.